Hello and welcome to the highlights of Match 6 of the Pakistan Junior League. This encounter was between Rawalpindi Raiders and Mardan Warriors.
That's a good shot. That's trademark Thomas. He hits that so hard it becomes absolutely impossible for the fielders in the circle to cut it off in time. More runs. Another boundary.
Two is the call, but it will be 4. This outfield is lightning fast, so once it finds the gap, it will run away. Here's another chance. Here's another chance. Catch taken. Same fielder. And pumps it. Over, long off. Flies all the way for 6. Edged. That's a wicket.
Edged past that slip. And he'll get a boundary. Just. Down the ground. I think he's got enough of it. He has got enough of it. Plenty. Flies it all the way for 6.
He returned with the figures of 22 from his 3 overs. There might be a run-out chance. We'll have to see. The throw from the bowler end was quite direct.
So excellent start for the Raiders. I don't think he gets enough of this. No, he does. Another wicket. So I think he ran out Ollie Cox.
In the air. Gone. He's got himself to the pitch of the ball. He's lofted it.
And there is another swing. Wild swing on that occasion across the line. And there is another one. What a beauty from the left-arm spinner Zayola.
Siobhan Daniels was, as we see, a beautiful boundary back past the bowler.
Gone for the big shot. Does it have the distance? Yes.
Hits it straight down for a boundary. All these runs count. That's a good connection. For a moment I thought I was crashing into the stumps. He completely moved across, exposed all 3 stumps. Yeah, probably they can. Got a fingertip to it, so taking the pace off. Oh, second, come on, they're gone. Both of them deciding to take that second and then a boat. That's a shot of a man who's faced his first ball. Straight away, he announces his arrival. He looks good, makes room and smashes that through cover past mid-off. That's a clean hit. Oh, he was better off hitting it in front of the square, but misses that. Nevertheless, they get a bye, and they finish off at 131 from where they were 5 overs ago. I think they'll take it.
Gone for the big shot straight away. Gets a top edge and gets a boundary to open his account. Picked up sweetly. Just clears the fielder in that mid-on position. He'll get 4. Another boundary for Ezekiel. Enough bat. Just splices this one behind point. It finds the gap. There he goes again. More of the middle of the bat. Fielders giving chase, but they can't catch it. Just past that fielder in short, fine leg. There he goes again. Should be taken. And it is taken. So we talk about high risk. Up and away. Was in the slot. There was width on this one. All he had to do was sink that back leg, get under it. Gone short. And just sufficient bat to evade that fielder in full slip.
What a catch! That is a magnificent snare.
Oh, wow. Now that is a delivery. Now that is a ball that you need time and again to defend the total like this. That is absolutely beautiful. Now that's a bad ball. You got to put those away, of course. One bounce, boundary. Was asking to be hit.
And that's about this field, because there's no cover. He wanted to play inside out, and he brings up the googly.
Went length. Might be taken, and yes, safely into the hands of the fielder. This will help. That's a clean strike over extra cover. That's a biggie. Should be a biggie. Gone for 6. That's a good result. There he goes again. Beats that short third. It's raining boundaries. Is this the shift in momentum required for... That's cheeky. That's very smart. Goes full and straight and squeezes it past the wicketkeeper. Clambered. Another clean strike. Well, that strike gets them closer to victory. The Raiders. Up and away. That's the victory stroke. What a remarkable victory. What a finish we have seen here from the Raiders.